How to create a landing page on mobile phone. Hi there, today we'll learn about how to create your own landing page through your mobile device. So what is a landing page? A landing page is a standalone web page designed specifically for a particular marketing or advertising campaign with the goal of converting visitors into your leads or customers. So for us to begin, you just need to log in into your Canva account. This will be the platform that we will be using in order for us to create our own landing page through your phone. So first thing here is sign into your account, and here you just need to find website as one of your templates. And what we'll do here is that we'll click on a blank page, or you can actually use the existing templates that Canva will recommend. So here you can just scroll down into the options that you can choose for your own landing page. So there are a lot of options here depending on what you are to market. So there are some options here for like consultations or just for showing your portfolio to your future clients. So this is what will be the template that I'll be using for creating a landing page. So this is the landing page that I have will be more of like a artistic or the artist portfolio where the customers or your clients will be able to view your web page or your website for them to look into what you may offer, and they will be able to go and contact you as well through these information or through your landing page if they wish to ask for your service or if they want to use your product or if they want to purchase one of your items as well. So here, what I'm doing is that most of the my theme here is like a watercolor theme. So the artist, for example, loves to do watercolor, and the works are more of watercolor paintings. So this will be the background that I'll be choosing on my landing page. So here you'll be able to see here that what I'm choosing is a video. So on the website that I'll be creating, there will be a moving background. Here, as you can see, you can adjust the color. When you click on it on the lower portion of the screen, that's where you will be able to see your tools. For example, you can add filters or you can adjust the playback, the transparency of the video or image. You can even change the color as well of the background. Make sure that it would match your theme here. So you can also rotate the image or the video, and then you can adjust the layers. So I want this to be the background, so I'll be adjusting this at the bottom part, just right before the white background that we have. So what I'm doing here is I'm adding a few elements or a few decorative designs just to add up to the web page, since this will be the main or the first thing that your clients will see. So here I'll be typing in the name of my business. So just for an example, so I'll name my business for this will be Art for You. So these are artworks that will be for everyone. So what you can do here is you can edit the words or the text on the template, and you can also change the image by clicking on replace on the lower part, and then you'll be able to see and download your image or your works. And then there you can just click on the image, and then on the bottom part there you see replace. Once you click on it, you will be routed to the uploaded photos that you have, so you can adjust the image depending on your liking. You can add your works here, you can resize just to make sure that you will be able to emphasize the photos that you have here. So you can adjust the information. So here you can, once you're done with the first page, you can try to preview your website. So here, aside from that first page, there are a lot of pages that you can work on so that you will provide more information about the business or about you. Here, so there are a lot of pages. So what I'll do here is that I will change a few information like the information about me, the image, and also the background. Since this is just an example, the image I'll be putting is just one of the image that I can get from the Canva elements here. So the next page here is that you can add your sample or more sample works that I have. The best works, I would recommend your best works that you have. Or if this is another um, service that you're offering, you can input your achievements and or the history or the timeline of your company, for how long have you been in the industry or anything like that, depending on what you offer. So here I'll just edit the photos, and here you can even add a quote or your mantra as your business, or in your business you can edit the images, and here will be the contact information. So I'll be writing in my email address, my phone number, and I will be adding a few more image, or since this will be the last page that I have, I'll be adding another video just to add a decorative touch on it. So there, I'll be adding this video here, and there you'll be able to see this will be an additional page that I created where these images are will be linked into my social media accounts or into my email. So for this Fox image or the Fox artwork, I'll be linking this into my email address. So what I'll do is click on the image, and then there will be an option for you to link that image there. You just need to copy the link or your email address, and then you just type in your email address on the box given here. So when it's done, you can just hit on enter, and then you see on the top part there will be link added. That means that the link or the URL that you have placed has been embedded into the image. So another thing here, on the other images I'll be linking my social media accounts, so by the time that the clients will click on the image, they will be routed to the page or to my social media accounts here. So I click on preview, and there you will be able to see the mobile view of the website, and that's how it will look like once it's done. There, when I click on an image, it route me to a the Instagram account. There, once done, you just click on share, and there, instead of saving, you just need to click on publish, and then you will be adding a few information like the description of your website. And then once done, you can just click on publish the website. There will be descriptions that you have. You can even add a password into your website so that only limited people will be able to view the website that you have, only your potential clients. So you can click on view website, and you just to make sure that you have a copy of the link, you can click on copy and then save that into your notepad. There, that's the password. I actually set password on my website. So when every time your clients will access, they will need to input the password first before they will be able to log in. Here, so I was able to open the website already, and that is how it will look into the account or into your landing page. So this is where your clients will be routed once they will access the website. And once they're interested, they can definitely reach you through your email or through your social media accounts for any projects that they may offer. Okay? And that's how you create a landing page through this website or through Canva on your mobile phone. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.